Hello and welcome to another update video on Link. I'm here on the Link chart, Chainlink chart, and I really only want to track the shorter time frame. It feels like we've covered the larger time frame so often in the last few days. You might agree. So I think we just, in the interest of time and being able to cover more coins and charts, I'm going to focus only on the smaller time frame. I mean, the chart seems to be in this uptrend still. I mean, I've been tracking this impulse for quite some time now, since the Sunday, the 22nd of June low, and the price is still following this uptrend, yeah. And this local uptrend can still be considered as probably in a third wave, yeah. Why? Well, I explained it yesterday. I think I shared in my last video exactly this micro count and shared with you a few things. First of all, the idea was that the third wave, which is normally the most aggressive trend in a rally, in any rally really, this third wave should get to $17.76 or higher. And why? Because the third wave in general usually would reach the 138% extension, and again, in this case, $17.76. And that's an ideal target because normally the third wave needs to generate some momentum in order to really be relevant and to confirm further that this is actually what's playing out. So for now, we are on our way to that level. In baby steps, it feels, yeah. Especially if we compare it to some other coins like Pengu or Turbo, then it feels like this chart is just going to do baby steps, you know. But hey, we're getting closer and we're really not far away. Structurally, this is now complete. I mean, structurally, the third wave seems complete. Look, the first wave was a 5-wave move. The wave 2, 3-wave pullback. The third wave was meant to be a 5-wave move. Well, I can identify waves 1, 2, 3 of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Then we had the wave 4, and the wave 5 would ideally take us to 1776. Don't get too focused on the nanostructures. I mean, for now they work. But there might always be some shifts on the nano structures, right? What is more important is that the micro support levels are really holding, and they do that at the moment. So micro support is still, I would leave it where it is right now. I leave it where it is right now. It's between $14.48 and $15.49. The price dipped into this box, what I often call a trend reversal area, and the price is moving out of the box. And we're approaching now that next resistance zone between $17.15 and $17.76. It's the next resistance zone. We're tracking it for now, and the price could be in wave 5 of 3. Now, can I rule out that we get another extension in wave 3? No, but that's why we just move support, right? This is the risk area, $14.48. And what I can tell you is that I would assume in 5 waves, we get to round about $20, maybe just below. Just was trying to speak German there. Maybe just below $20. But that's sort of, yeah, it you know, the pattern is being filled in nicely, I would say. So when we get all 5 waves completed, then that is when we can then add support for wave 2. But that's too early now. For now, the focus is on whether the bulls can get to the next FIB level. $17.15 could be next resistance, but ideally we get to at least $17.76. And then support will be moved up with the price. And yeah, that's currently how I see Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.